In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write effective prompts for Asana AI Studio. We'll use the current Asana interface so you can automate tasks and optimize your workflows with confidence. Start by logging in to your Asana account on desktop. Using the desktop view ensures you see the full project controls we'll need. Open the project where you want AI Studio to run, ideally one with repeatable tasks so automation gives you real-time savings. In the top right corner of the project view, click Customize. A sidebar opens. Select Rules. Rules let you define triggers and actions, and AI Studio adds intelligent behavior on top of that. Click Add Rule. In the pop-up, choose Powered by AI, then Create with AI Studio. You'll see a configuration screen. At the bottom, note the Create button you'll use to save everything. If you see an option to toggle AI Studio on, switch it on so the AI features are active. Now, focus on the Guidance for AI box. This is where your prompt goes. The clear instructions that tell the AI exactly what to do. Keep it specific, action-oriented, and tied to task context. For example, to automatically name tasks, write, create a concise task name based on the task description and project section. To check for missing information, try, review the task for missing assignee, due date, or description, and alert if anything is missing. To summarize completed work, use summarize the main updates and outcomes from this task in one short paragraph. And to draft a response, you might write a professional reply to the form submitter based on the task's details. Aim for unambiguous language and mention exactly which task fields the AI should reference. Optionally, adjust AI Studio settings to refine task scope, collaborators, or notifications. This helps control who's involved, which tasks the rule applies to, and how updates are communicated. Small tweaks here can prevent noise and make the automation feel seamless to your team. When your prompt and settings look good, click Create to save your AI Studio rule and apply your prompt. Then test it. Trigger the rule on a sample task, review what the AI produces, and compare the output to your intent. If something is off, refine your wording. Shorter sentences and explicit instructions often lead to more consistent results. A quick test and tweak cycle will help you lock in reliable, repeatable automation. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.